Mambo Italiano here, and we're gonna do another review tonight, which I already have uploaded, my rippers and my maltos. So today's gonna be different. I've been looking online for reviews of what I'm about to review of, and I noticed that there's not too many, and a couple of them that I do see kind of suck a little bit. So I'm going to give you a legit one. Not going to be one, but 2 parts. So let's get this cracking. This is of the Thompson 1928 Chicago Typewriter. And before I start with all the parts and everything, I've had this gun about 24 hours now, and it's a freaking monster. This thing is incredible. I mean, on the box it's 465 FPS, but of course that's a crack of shit. It's like a sniper or something. But it's about 380, 390, even 400. All depends on your battery, all that, EVs, whatever the hell. But this gun, it's for anybody who's been in airsoft for a little bit or for a while. I suggest this gun. Great gun. Very rare, and can't really find it in many places for a good price, but where I got it, put a link in the description below for this gun. I don't know if you guys heard, it's called airrattle.com. Place amazing, it's great. So let's get started on this, shall we? But the problem is I'm hungry, so take a bite. Alright, so gun itself, big stock of course, all this, handle, stock. It may look like real wood, but it's just plastic. I mean, it'd probably cost a lot more if it was actual real wood than this. Everything here, this is all metal gearbox, everything. It's great, it's awesome, nice and durable, not really too shaky. Pick it up might feel a little bit, but all I gotta do is tighten all the screws that go around everywhere. And so stable and durability, it's really good. It's really good. And then this, you guys question, probably looks cool, something. Doesn't do anything. It's nothing. And then this here's the hop up. I like it because it's just like it's so open, just shooting, a little spin, just shoot. And then you got your straps, and strap sling, my bad. But and then you got like patents here. Oh, it's just, you can see, it's just numbers. That's all it is. And then on this side, same thing, just numbers. And then for your firing modes, here, yeah, this is your, it's not safe now, or, oh, the wrong one, yeah, this is your, excuse me guys, this is your firing modes. So, I'm on full auto now, I'm on semi, this is safe, now I'm off safe, okay, and gun is right, or like pellets per second, it's like 12, so you can shoot 12 BBs in 1 second, so it's really good, it's really good. Sights, you can see that, also right here, short range, long range, it's adjustable, not too big of a difference, I don't really use it, so really no big deal, honestly. So that's the gun. And of course, then you got your battery, which is in stock. I'm not gonna take it out because you gotta cram the battery in there, which is, it's a pain in the ass. There's like a little thing back here to keep it from rattling, but just slide the battery deep in under here, slide it under there, put your wires in there. It'll come in nice and neat. If I managed, and my IQ of probably like 50, you can manage too. Alright, let's see, I'm not forgetting anything about the gun. No. Alright, moving on. Of course, comes with like a jamming rod, charger. Recommend not using it. It's cool. It says a little note to not charge more than 5 hours, not charge battery overnight. Use charger in the box only. Yeah, okay. Then you just got Thompson model 1928 manual. It's got everything in it. Like, everything had to work in everything. Which, it's an airsoft gun. How are you not going to know how to work it? And Cyber Guns comes in. Says it's all products and stuff. Because something else I forgot to mention. With this gun, I repeat, do not buy anything else other than Cyber Guns. Because apparently, from what I understand, it might be one by King's Arms. Do not get that. That's shit. And it's more expensive too, apparently. But that's only what I hear. You can go venture out for yourself. I don't know. But it's gone $165. It's great. And make sure it's by Cyber Guns or Cyma. Because if you get it anything else, chances are probably going to get fucked over. So, just believe me when I say it. Great gun. Make sure it's Cyber Gun. Next, got your drum mag. This drum mag, you'd think it'd hold maybe like 2,000 rounds. It's only 450, which, it's not a problem. Because, honestly, I mean, I'm not complaining because I'm not going to just go out and like shoot 2,000 rounds or something. But, I mean, it's easy. Just come in here, old time, like, put it in, you just take this, and just lift it up to put it in. Believe me, I'm probably going to struggle, but it takes a little effort to put it in, because you got to just slide it in here, and then, yeah, it'll click. It adds maybe like, if it's full, mine's not full, but when it is full, it adds probably like an extra, maybe 3-4 pounds to the gun, making the total of the gun about 10, 12, maybe even 13 pounds, which is pretty nice because it makes it legit. Then aiming feels comfortable. Everyone says that this is out too far. It really isn't. It's like perfect. This comes back. Your face is like right where you want it. It's great. Great aim down sights. So overall, I give this gun like an excellent rating. I would suggest it to anybody basically, because I mean, what more can you love? It's a Chicago Typewriter, and those guns are amazing. And that's just my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but great. Another thing, I said this was going to be in 2 parts. Looking at my time off my iPhone, it's going to be 1 part. So it'll make this easier to wrap up and everything. Another thing I want to show you, the reason why before I said about the charger, this is the reason why. Oh, sorry. What? Let me just move this beautiful specimen out of the way. Something every person who uses airsoft should invest in. Smart charger. This shit, it helps because it can go up by 0.9 amps or 1.8 amps, depending on whichever one you want. But then there's a light right here that'll go on red, and when, of course, red when it's charging. But when it turns green, of course it's off. But the best thing about it is it stops charging. Like anything charging, it just stops. So you can even leave it overnight if you wanted to. I wouldn't suggest it because something can go wrong during the night. But just if you want to, you can. But normally, on 0.9 amps is about a close to 2-hour charge. 1.8 it's like a 1 hour, but don't think just like 1.8. Get my amps in quicker. You can burn your battery out, so don't even try that. $30. I have the link for this too, off of Air Rattle. If you want to go get that, It's great. It's amazing. I get that. Honestly, well, I did get it. So, well, if I were you, I'd get it. Definitely a good investment. So, that's my review. Hope you liked it. Please comment. Please give me a good rating. If you liked it, subscribe to my page, because at this point with this video, I'm pretty new and starting with all my videos. So, yeah. Just, if you got, and also, it also says it on my channel page. If you got any requests for, if there's anything you want me to review about, of course if it's to my, like, if I have it or whatever. But if there's anything you want me to make a video about, because I know pretty soon, like, from what I understand, I make a good Arnold Schwarzenegger impersonation, so I'm going to be doing that one. I'll give you a mini one at the end of this video if you want. But, yeah, so shoot me a comment, shoot me a message, anything you want me to review about, anything you want me to talk about, anything you want me to just impersonate, anything. Anyway, give you a quick little Arnold thing right here. But just I'll just give you a little story behind it. Walking down into a place called Spencer's, most of you guys probably know it. But going there, this chick doing this like Arnold laugh kind of thing. So I just start talking to her. I'm just like, "Hey baby, you want to take a ride on my chopper?" And she's just like, of course she's like, "Who are you?" Getting kind of irritated. So I just keep telling her, I'm like, "Come with me if you want to live." And I said, if you ever watch Kindergarten Cop, or if you ever watched it, but I told him, like, I have a headache, and she knows what I was talking about. She has it too, and I said, "It's not that dumb." But yeah, I'll give you a full-on Arnold thing in another video. But yes, great gun, definitely worth the money. Save up for it. It rocks. It's amazing. And the same thing for a smart charger. If you have an airsoft gun now, get the smart charger. It'll save you so much hassle. All right. So it's been a pleasure, guys. And this is Mambo Italiano signing out. Take care.